love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always
Namaste friends. So today is NumPy lesson 3 and this is array indexing. So the previous lecture we saw about the arrays and how to actually withdraw from the arrays and stuff of that nature, right? So we'll be doing side-by-side lab and also see my panda side-by-side. Okay, so let's actually do that. So this is the very first thing that I'm going to take. Okay. So I'm going to say you guys should be knowing this by now. Okay, it's okay. So import import NumPy as np arr equals np dot array 1, 2, 3, 4, and this print arr 0. So which means I should be getting this 1. Let's see. Yeah, 1. So this is what it does. We also saw that in the previous lecture. Now if you want the second one, it will be like this. So we actually saw this. Okay, if you want the second one, it will be like this. That is also good. And if you want the third and fourth, if you want to add these two together, you can add it in the NumPy, like say like 2 and 3, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So this should give me 7. Okay, when I'm actually printing this should give me 7. So when you want to access a 2D array, okay, a 2D array, how would you actually do that? Because we saw what is 0 dimension, 1 dimension, 2 dimension, 3 dimension, etc. So when you want to access this, you import a NumPy as np. You have this 2-dimensional array, and then you see print second element on first row and 0, 1. So 0 is this and 1 is this. Okay, so let's see. So it will be 1, 7, I believe. Let's see. The second element on the first row is 2. Correct. The second element on the first row is 2. So that is what it says, 0, 1. 0, 1, that is what it says. It is 2. And that is what we are actually doing it here. Okay, it is not like the way I thought 1, 7. All right. Now if you want to do this like this, print the 5th row and stuff. You want the 5th element on the second row is 1, 4. Okay, so the second row is basically this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is he meaning this? Is he meaning the 10th one? 5th element on the second. Let's see. Yeah, it's a 10th. So in this case of this, you say the second element on the first row is this. This is the second row. And then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you say 1 to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is what has been doing here. All right. Now to access a 3D array, let's actually see this. So I actually import this. I actually put a 3D array which we actually created last time. We say 0, 1, 2, and let's see what the 0, 1, 2 is. It is 6. So how did the 6 actually happen? Okay, so basically this is the 6 is here, right? So which means 0, 1, 2 is 0, 1, 2. So he's actually taking this. So this is what he's meaning by, accessing the 3D. Okay, comma separated trigger. So this is what he actually means. Now negative indexing. We already saw about negative indexing, how it actually goes from backwards. So let's actually do this one more time. So basically it actually comes from here. So let's see the last element of the second dimension, which is this, is what he says is this 10. Let's see. Yeah, the last element of the second dimension is this, because he says the minus 1 is this. It starts from here, right? So the -1, -2, it goes like that, right? So that is what he says this. So you can actually play with your this thing. So if you say -2, you can actually see what is happening. It is 9. So -1, it starts with -1 is here. -3 will be 8. So you can actually play with this and you can actually see this. All right. So this is the NumPy, and I think it is good for in today. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be very happy to clarify any of your questions. Till we see next time, you take care. Cheers.